Hi guys, you're watching Ride with D and I'm your host Dhananjay. Let's start. Hi guys, today's video is on how to wash your matte finish Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield have three variants of matte finish that are Desert Storm, Squadron Blue and Stealth Black. I own a Stealth Black color bike and washing it is a really easy task. But maintaining the matte finish is a difficult task. If you are using any detergent solution or soap to wash your bike, it will spoil your matte finish. So please use only water and a simple cloth to wash your bike. I take my bike for a wash after every week in my nearest Royal Enfield service center. They wash it very well and they know how to maintain the matte finish. I will show you how they wash it, but I will first share a story of my friend. He owned a Desert Storm. He gave his bike to a local service center to wash it. They spoiled the whole matte finish of the bike by applying some detergent on it. They applied some detergent on it and it spoiled the whole matte finish of the bike and gave it a glossy and shiny look. So please don't give your bike to any local service center for a wash. Always give your bike to an authorized Royal Enfield service center. They know how to wash it. So let's go guys.
Guys, this is the current condition of my bike. As you can see, it is very dirty. I am taking my bike for a wash. Let's go. So guys, I have reached the service center and now they are drying my bike. My bike has washed. Sorry, I could not shoot the washing part because the service center people are not allowing me to shoot in that area. So they are drying my bike with some air. Once my bike has completed with this, I will show you that. So guys, the detailing is done. Now I will show you how my bike look. The comparison is in the upright corner. You will see it now. You can see my bike has changed. The dirt particles are clean. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any questions related to it, ask me in the comment section, and I'm going to make more videos related to Royal Enfield. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you guys for watching.